In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to PDFs in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. Head over to your Google Drive homepage and log into your account if you haven't already. You should be greeted by your document dashboard, where you'll find all your files neatly organized. Once you're in, it's time to open the PDF that you want to annotate. So take a moment to browse through your files. When you locate the PDF document that you'd like to work on, click on it. This action will open your PDF in Google Drive's built-in viewer, which is pretty handy for viewing and editing. Now here comes the fun part, activating comment mode. Look for a little comment icon. It's usually represented by a speech bubble in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that icon, and you'll see a change in the interface that indicates you're ready to add comments. Next, you'll want to decide where to place your comment. With your cursor, you can click and drag over the specific text or area in the PDF where you'd like to leave a comment. This action will create a highlighted box around that section. At the same time, a message field will pop up for you to type in your thoughts. Now it's your chance to share your feedback. Type in your comment, whether it's notes, questions, or any suggestions you want to push forward. Make sure you keep your feedback clear so that anyone reading it later understands your point. Once you've crafted your message, it's time to make it official. Look for the comment button. It's usually right next to the message box. Go ahead and click that button to save and post your comment. And just like that, your comment is added and visible to anyone else who's granted access to the document. It's that simple. You've just added comments to a PDF in Google Drive, making it a breeze for collaboration and sharing ideas with others. Plus, if you have a group working on the same document, your comments can spark discussions or help clarify things that may need more attention. So to recap, you start by logging into your Google Drive and opening the PDF. Activate comment mode, select where you want to leave your note, type out your comment, and finally, post it so others can see. It's straightforward and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on using Google Drive and other tech tools. Thanks for watching, and happy commenting.